Ever wondered what's the real difference between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data science? Most people mix them up, but in just 60 seconds, you'll get it crystal clear. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is any system that can make decisions on its own, without a human telling it exactly what to do. Now, machine learning is a type of AI, but it doesn't follow rules. Instead, it learns from data to make predictions. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level using neural networks, kind of like a brain. This is what powers tools like ChatGPT or voice assistants that understand you. And data science? It connects all of these. It uses ML, stats, and visuals to understand trends and make decisions, like checking if male and female students score equally at university. So, AI is the umbrella ML learns. Deep learning dives deep, data science explains. Got it? Comment what surprised you the most and hit. If this helped, follow for more tech made simple.